Hello, in this video, we are going to go over what we need to do to confirm that this is a probability distribution. So you're given some context and you're given some probability distribution table. You can tell this is a probability distribution table because it displays random variable values here. And then P of X, meaning the probability values are between 0 and 1. So we can see that it's a probability value rather than a frequency distribution table where there would be like counts of each number of quantity here. So there's two things that we want to check to confirm it's a probability distribution. The first one is we want to make sure that the probability values that are in the table are all between 0 and 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to that probability table and you're just going to go one by one and check that each one of these values is between 0 and 1, which we see here they all are. So they are all between 0 and 1, so I'm going to put a check mark there. It's been satisfied. The second thing that we need to check is that we need to make sure that the sum of all of the probability values is going to be equal to 1. So what you're going to need to do is grab your calculator out and you're going to need to add up each one of these values right now. And what you want to do is you want to confirm that it's equal to 1. So if you pause the video real quick, you type that on the calculator, you're going to see that you actually get 0.999. Why is that? That's because the table here is displaying only 3 decimals, which means more than likely rounding was involved. And depending on the rounded value that we have here, if we add it up and it turns out to be 0.999 or something very close to 1, then that means that this requirement check has been satisfied. So this is approximately equal to 1. And we are okay with this, which means this also is satisfied. So that means both conditions of the probability distribution are satisfied, and this is a probability